Hello guys, good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, depending on when you are watching this video. Um, Today is 2nd of February on Sunday, as at when I'm recording this video. Sorry, 1st of February, Sunday, not 2nd. So the forex market is going to be opening by tomorrow, and then traders will be engaging the market. I would have loved to show you analysis on other pairs, right? But currently, since the market has not opened, I can't, the chart won't load up. So maybe by tomorrow, before the real move takes off, I might make some videos to tell you what you should be expecting and how you should go about it. So that being said, on gold tomorrow, I have done analysis on this before. I want to lay emphasis on it so that when the outcomes plays out during the week, it won't look strange any longer because we've already cited what the intention of price is all about. So by tomorrow, by God's grace, right? When the market opens in gold, our system is giving us what we should do and what we should expect in return. What we should do by tomorrow, trading the forex market. For those of you who love to trade gold, right? What you should do. Now, based on the information right here on the chart, on weekly chart, right? It said the trend is bullish, and then notice the face of the market. It's telling us currently that the face of the market on gold is to visit the demand zone, which is here. It may not come once, right? I mean, this market may not come here once. This is on weekly, but we know that whatever be the case, we are going to be selling. And you can see that we've seen a massive rejection. So this price may end up dropping up to this point, maybe before the end of this year, because this is on weekly charts, you know. So before the end of this year, we might be seeing sell pressure on gold, right? Then if we leave that and go to the daily chart, right? Daily chart. So the daily chart and the weekly chart are telling us that they are having the same intention of what? Price movement. So both the daily is telling us that price is coming to the demand zone. I've explained this last week and I've showed those of you who choose to view it on my channel, right? So what you are going to do now, this is on daily chart. You can be monitoring your 30 minutes and 1 hour for sell opportunity. What did I mean by sell opportunity? Now let me go to 30 minutes. I don't know if the chart is going to load up. So let's see. Okay, good. Fine. This is what is going to happen by tomorrow. If you're a gold trader, right? So let me zoom in a bit. Let me show you. All right, confirm. This is what is going to happen on gold finally by tomorrow, God's grace. From tomorrow, which is Monday, price may rally back to this point, right? It may not come to this other block. Are you getting me now? Price may rally. First, it's going to create a kind of buy force, probably to take out liquidity, then tap into this bearish order block. Because 30 minutes is telling you now that price is going to do what? Price is going to supply, which is very possible. So at first, it broke structure, came down, so it might still rally back up because of what we have in the 4 hour. It's going to retest the bearish breaker block on 4 hour. I'm going to take you to the chart now so that you see it on that 4 hour chart. Price is going to rally back to that breaker block to retest it, and then it's going to drop. So from tomorrow now, if you're a gold trader, you can start observing the chart. So mark out areas on your chart or on your phone, those of you who are using phone, and look for sell opportunity. Ignore buy because the buy will not last and they can use it as setup to trigger you out of the market. So always look for sell opportunity. You know, gold is very volatile. Gold is very, very volatile. So always look for sell opportunity. Now let's go to the 4 hours and let me show you the breaker block I was referring to. This is the breaker block where price will come and retest. It might pull in a bit just to fake out people. Then the next thing you're going to see on gold is going to bounce all the way down before the week ends from tomorrow. But if you are a forex trader, make sure you are conversant with economic calendar when there's going to be news and then where there's not going to so that you don't trade within that section. Exactly. So that is on gold. I can't do other analysis on other forex pair. So let's keep that aside. Now, let's see something on Boom. I posted Boom. If you are in my channel, my WhatsApp, or there's one other WhatsApp group, I posted Boom 500 that they should expect sell. That sell didn't come up. I'll tell you why. This is the reason why I said when you take 3 time frame, it will help you a lot. So people who will have been placing sell just because maybe somebody told them that I sell or they notice price is dropping will end up having drawdown. Are you getting me now? They'll end up having drawdown. And the reason why you need this 3 top down analysis is that if the middle time frame doesn't confirm the change of character, it shows that price is not coming down. The only solution to that is to check the next higher time frame. If your highest time frame is 1 hour, check what is happening in 4 hours. You easily code that okay, this is the direction of price on the 4-hour chart. Now I understand that looking at it from a mere chart, right? If you need from a mere chart, that means a plain chart, it's not easy. Are you getting it now? It's not easy. So it requires training yourself consistently to identify all these things or get materials that can help you out. Exactly. Otherwise, forex trading is not as easy as most of you think when you're operating from a blank chart. And if you are a novice, people who have advanced in the market understand the game. Are you getting now? They understand the game very well. So when they do their analysis using a particular mid time frame and the setup is not coming, they easily decode what happens. But it takes experience and practice. I mean, not 2 days practice, consistent practice for you to attain that level. Otherwise, you are not going to make any good money out of forex trading. Are you getting? So that is it. So if you check the weekly time frame on this same Boom 500 I posted earlier on, it said price is going to be a supply zone and it has given us the digit right here already. So which means what we are seeing here now is more or less like a retest on this block. So maybe before this year end or from now till the end of this year, you should not sell. You should not, if you want to make more money, always look for buy opportunity on Boom 500. That means I'm not saying you should not sell. There are lower time frame that's going to retreat. Definitely price must retrace now, but the major move, right, from now till the end of this year is buy. Are you getting me now? Because this is on weekly chart. Weekly chart is not 1 day, and you can see where the supply zone is going. So it's not going to take. It's not 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It's not price that's not getting to that point. So always look for buy opportunity on Boom 500. So that is what I want to tell you. That was why the other analysis I gave you other time, it didn't see price quickly come down to that point. So those of you who are saying trash, I hope you are coding now so that you don't feel maybe what I'm telling you is out of point. So that is on Boom 500. I posted analysis on crash again. Somebody complained that it didn't go. I said yes, it won't go. And why? What is the reason? So let me quickly use this opportunity again and tell you the reason why crash failed to drop as at when I posted that opportunity that analysis. So on crash 1000, are you getting now? On crash 1000 on the weekly time frame, price was going to mitigate the supply zone. This is where it is currently now. And the way it's showing now, there is possibility it may likely convert this what is it called? This supply zone to a breaker block. But as it is now, it has already getting to that level. Because if we should trace it from here, if you trace the digit from here, 4890, 4890. So that is exactly where price is currently. 4890. So that is where price is currently. Now it has delivered. So had it been I went further to analyze the weekly, I would have told you to look for buy on crash, but my analysis was only from the daily time frame. Now, one thing I want to understand that the higher time frame determine the move. If 4 hours said sell and then 1 hour say buy, it is that 4 hours of sell that is going to play out. So since daily time frame on crash was telling us to expect sell, that means we should sell to this demand, and the weekly said I am going to supply. That is why that sell didn't hold. That crash we wanted to drop didn't drop. I get it now. So you need to see the reasons why. So you just need to see the three reasons why most of the time your analysis don't quickly play out. I'm talking to those of you who are using the software. Then those of you who are not using the software, when you pick 3 time frame of your choice and you're able to see the structure of the bullish the higher time frame, and then you want to a character to change on the middle time frame to confirm it, then you trade on your lower time frame. If your middle time frame is not giving you that confirmation, it means that a higher time frame higher than the one you are using currently is currently on the opposite direction. So you might check and then you quickly get to know that okay, this is why your price or your analysis was not coming true. Is that clear? Please, all this information, make sure you are piling them, most especially those of you who have it, because I told you this year, don't give room to lose a penny to any broker you are trading on. Either you are trading forex, either you are trading synthetic indices, either you are trading crypto. See, make sure that you are always closing with blue. This secret, I didn't want to share it for a long time. I've been making analysis and giving you out the information, but some of you, due to that, maybe you don't understand trading, you didn't get it. And so this time around, I said, okay, let me even bring it out so that you guys can utilize what is happening in the market, right? Mind you, I'm not talking of teaching. To confirm it, to configure the information into software is not easy. So for those of you who are in the group, don't feel maybe it is something that has been there before. No, I mean teaching you analysis on this thing on on a on a blank chart. Is that clear? But now, since I now decided to put it into coding and God so kind, everything went as expected. If you have access to it, make sure you are using it to make money. No excuse. No, don't give room for excuses. Exactly. And just try as much as possible not to be greedy. All right, I will stop here. I don't want this video to be too much. From tomorrow, I may be posting one video just to explain and expose this market called Forex market to you. Right? Everything you watch on the internet are true, but it is not as easy as it is when you come to the real chart. Exactly. That is why you are seeing people tell you they spend money, they are losing. I was chatting with some of my previous students this night. They were giving me kind of excuses. So, as I said, if you're a gold trader, expect sell on gold. If you are a synthetic trader, expect more buy on boom. Then start expecting crash to start dropping, because the weekly time frame has gotten to its point, right? It has gotten to the point. So daily time frame now, the pullback, that one we may want to cause on the weekly time frame, will start showing effect on the daily time frame that will make price to come back. And if it doesn't come back and break through, all well and good. So you can start using lower time frame that align with the move to scalp or to trade the market. That is how simple the whole thing is. All you just need is have the direction key password with you. When I say direction password, what is the intention of the market? Is it to buy or to sell? If the higher time frame says buy, then you start looking for buy setup on lower time frame. If it doesn't come up, then you can check the higher time frame up, which is more higher than the one you're using currently, to see where that one is going. Like gold now, weekly is saying down, daily is saying down. So that move will be it will be a speed of light, right? Once they do what they want, once they manipulate whatever they want to manipulate, the rate gold will drop, will be like a speed of light. Is that clear? So thanks for watching. Like I said, I always update you guys on how it goes.